Okay, this is our Fisher & Paykel refrigerator RF610A. As you might be able to see, the water filter light has come on, indicating that it should be changed. The refrigerator was purchased 6 months ago, so it all makes sense. And the only issue is I'm having extreme problems removing the filter. Okay, so there's our filter, or my filter, and it's at an angle because I've been trying to get it off all day yesterday. So what in theory should happen is that I pull it out like that and twist it to the left. But as you can see, no matter what I do, it will not budge. I've checked the net and I've spoken to Fisher & Paykel. Nobody can give me any clues as to why I can't remove it. Okay, so I've had a little bit of luck. I've been able to remove the housing from the wall, and I've been able to remove the filter, or part of the filter, from the bracket. And that turned out to be fairly easy by just inserting a screwdriver at the back here, and that released the filter. Okay, so here's the result. There's the water filter I'm trying to remove, and there's the head unit. But again, if you notice, I'm applying as much force as I can, and I cannot release it, which is terribly frustrating, and I simply don't understand why. Well, believe it or not, I finally have released the filter. Now, I've had to use excessive force to try and release it, which concerns me, and had it still been in the bracket, it would likely have broken the housing that this all sits in. So it's difficult to explain why now, but because I've been able to get a good grip and I have now been moving it around for a number of minutes, it has finally released. Now, I'm not going to put it back in for obvious reasons. I don't want to have to go through all that again. So I'll likely just give this a quick clean and insert. Okay, so that was difficult. The filter goes in there, and it was extremely difficult to release. Now, if you ever have to do this, you put a screwdriver up the back, and that's how you release it there, and this will then pop off fairly easily. It was a little bit more difficult to get back on because it has to attach here and attach at the back. Now, why it was so difficult to remove, I have no idea, but at least. Okay, so there's the end result. It was extremely difficult to do, and why the filter was hard to remove I can't explain. So I have remounted the housing, then inserted the black top section back into where it belongs, and then inserted the filter, which went on very easily. So obviously, if you are having a problem getting it off, this is a good result. And as I said, I had nearly reached the stage where I was looking at trying to cut off the old filter. So, I hope that helps if you've had the same problem that I have.